The Wake Island rail, also known as the Wake Island water hen, is a unique species native to Wake Island, a small coral atoll in the Pacific Ocean. Wake Island is a territory of the United States located between Hawaii and Guam. Wake Island rails originate from coastal and wetland areas of the Pacific. They often visit Wake Island in search of food and habitat. However, their habitat has been affected by human activities and other factors, leading to a significant decline in the island's population in recent years. This species is facing the risk of population decline and may require conservation measures to preserve them.